Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate your Union Bank virtual credit card, guys. It's step by step and it's really easy and simple. So first things first, guys, of course, what you will need is you need to either use the Union Bank online app or the chat bot, okay? So what you're going to be doing, guys, basically is first things first, download the Union Bank online app from the App Store, register with the app, and then what you want to do is you want to click on sign up with my existing account and then choose your credit card. Okay, select your credit card, and once you select credit card, you want to enter your required details. Okay, you have to input the required details, and you want to basically click on activate card right on the dashboard menu. So you want to be entering the 16-digit card number, the card expiration date, and the birth date. Okay, and you want to verify the activation with the OTP that will be sent to your mobile number. All right, guys. Also, what you can do is you can also set a PIN code by doing these following steps. So what you want to be doing, guys, you want to go to Manage Cards. Okay, click on Activate Card, enter your card details, and then enter the OTP code you'll be sent. They can basically set your PIN. Okay, click on Set Your PIN, and then just input your desired PIN code, and just re-enter it again, and then you can verify that PIN, and you have basically set a PIN to your virtual card. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you guys in the next one.